Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello again, all signs. So, again, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, and mas maganda, mga specific yung ating kukunin na mga energy for you. Okay, so, syempre, again, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin pagdating po sa ating mga charms. Yes, oo. So, yung ating mga evil eye protection, so, nandito sila. So, bali, 4 yun. Okay. So, yan. Yan yung 4 na ating evil eye protection. So, 2 sample ng bracelet. Ito yung ring natin. And ito yung ating necklace. Okay? So, yan. Pinakita ko lang po, no? So, protection sa mga nag-i-evil eye at mga mang-i-evil eye sa'yo. Protection sa iyong frequency, sa energy. So, yun po ang job description ng ating mga evil eye protection. Okay? So, yung atin namang big 3, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, ito po, no, meron siyang, again, citrine stone. Okay, citrine stone, nagmamagnet ng money. Okay, the money magnet, yung ating citrine. So, pwede ba sa lalaki? Yes, pwede. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Charm po kasi siya, actually. This is a charm. Gawin yung charm. No. So, hindi naman ito talaga bracelet, like pinagawan lang natin na ganito para, yes, naisusuot or nadadala. Okay? And syempre, sa mga lalaki naman, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Ang dala nito is wealth, abundance, prosperity, more sales, more customers. Okay? So, increase in sales, increase pagdating sa pera. Okay po? Yes, yes, yes. And syempre, okay, hindi lang yun, kundi love din. Magagandang connections ang pwedeng ibigay sa'yo nito. Okay? Huwag ninyong, tawag dyan, fight yung current na pwedeng ibigay sa inyo nitong bracelet. Okay? Kung meron silang mga tinatanggal, or may mga tatanggalin sila na mga connection sa inyo, just go with the flow. Okay? Kasi kung hindi, masasabotahe. Kayo din may hirapan. Okay? So, huwag kayong matatakot. Anyway. So, next, yung ating granter. So, si granter naman, yung nag-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. And again, tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Twice per week. Okay? So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Itong ating granter. And, 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. Okay? This is 2 years na sa akin, pero hindi pa rin naman nagbabago. Okay? So, yeah. And yung ating cord cutting, yung pangtanggal po ng alat at nagbibigay man. Kung may nagbibigay man sa inyo ng MALAS, tatanggalin niya yun. At magsisilbi siyang blockage. Okay? Kung meron man mga gustong umentry pa. Pwede sa sarili, pwede pambahay, pwede sa business. Okay? So, yeah. And yung atin pong cleansing kit, okay, ang laman niya is white sage and selenite crystal. Okay, so, yeah, pang recharge po yun ng mga charms. Okay, ginagamit siya kapag feeling nyo low bat na yung inyong mga charms, parang wala nang nangyayari or parang wala nang na-ipoprovide, something like that. And lalo na po, no, kung merong naibigay sa inyo yung inyong mga charms, inyo po agad i-recharge sa pamamagitan ng selenite crystal. I'm sorry. Excuse me. And syempre, ano ba? Samahan po natin ng pagpapausok po ng white sage. Okay? And, ang gamit rin po kasi niya is, kunyari, nahawakan ng iba yung charm nyo, or napansin, nabati ng iba, yun. Okay? Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano bang dala nila na energy. Kung ano man ang na-transfer. Ayaw natin nun eh. So, mas maganda na, no? Na ikine-cleanse yung inyong mga charms. Anyway, so, let's start the reading. Air signs, what's for you? Specific message, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay for air signs. Page of Swords, you have a stalker. Somebody's watching you. Okay. Page of Swords, what's with that? Yeah. Meron ditong gusto makipag-usap sa'yo. Air sign. Could be an air sign like you or a fire sign. Some of you, nakikita ko magbubuk. I don't know. Magbubuk ng flight. I'm seeing somebody buying ticket. Okay? Yeah. I'm hearing conversation. Conversation. Anong nilalaman ng conversation? Let's see. Business. Some of you, business. Okay? Or commitments, schedules. Somebody will reach out regarding skeds, notes, kung ano man. Commitments, okay? So, maybe pwedeng may mga mababago or pwedeng sabihin nating energy lang ng parang, oy, reminder, parang may ganyan, okay? So, what else? For air signs. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. What's with that? Some of you, may gastos ako nakikita rito, ha? Or may paggasto. Some of you, yeah, may bibilihin. Medyo pricey. What's with the Ten of Pentacles in the reversed? Judgment. What's with that Judgment? Judgment. Parang meron akong naririnig na parang may bibisita. Hindi ko alam kung this is like yearly. Okay, hindi ko alam. Dental. Yeah, the star. Okay. I'm hearing fixing. Fixing. Pwedeng yearly ginagawa ito. So, kung ano man yun. Okay, pwedeng, yeah, mangyayari muli this year or ngayong araw mismo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mabibili mo na yun talagang ginugusto-gusto mo. Yun talagang matagal na sa cart mo. Yes, may pagkakataon na mabili mo na. Okay? Iba sa inyo, ini-evaluate ka. Yeah, dyan sa work, ini-evaluate ka. Under evaluation. Wow! Pwedeng may chance na ma-promote yung iba sa inyo or mabigyan ng increase if ever. Okay, so what else? The Knight of Wands. What's with that? Temperance. Sagittarius. Big Sagittarius placements. What's with this? Pasensya na po sa ingay. There could be somebody, a fire sign, na pwedeng naghihintay sa'yo. They're open. Ito naghihintay sa'yo na parang may maayos. May maayos sa inyo. Something like that. I'm hearing some of you is if you fix mo or meron kang gagawin pagdating sa motor, okay, that's specific, not for all, or may gagawin ka sa sasakyan mo, okay, or maybe some of you will prepare pagdating sa isang travel. King of Cups. Okay, so if this is a person, I think they're patiently waiting for you. They love you, I think. Some of you kasi, ang tingin nila, you're not open. And you're available sa iba. Yes. So there. Okay. So next, fire signs. Okay, so fire signs are Leo, Sag. What is for our fire signs? Fire signs. The Five of Wands. The Page of Cups in reversed. May mahirapang some of you, mahirapan kang gumawa ng isang decision patungkol sa isang offer. Yeah, see? The Two of Wands. Mahirapan ka. Like, i-go ko ba or hindi? Kukunin ko ba or hindi? Something like that. Okay, iba sa inyo may nagkaka-crush. Yeah, may nagkaka-crush. Younger. Yeah. And hindi sila nagpapahalata. Yeah. Some of you could have age gap. Age differences. Meron ditong naghahanda. Like, merong magbibigay. I don't know if this is a surprise. Meron ditong nakakakuha or nakakakita, or I'm hearing appreciation. Sign of appreciation. Okay. What else? The Three of Cups. Some of you may chance dito ng makeup sex with a water sign. Hindi yun para sa lahat. So, what's with this Three of Cups? This is being together, kasama yung friends mo. Dating, some of you. The Seven of Wands in reversed. Merong mag-unblock. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. May mag-unblock dito, literal, para makipag-reconcile. Unang-unang gagawin ng taong ito is to unblock. I don't know kung ikaw yung mag-unblock. That the intention is to reconcile. Okay? To offer. Pero, nandoon yung confusion, the tension. Okay? Kasi hindi alam kung paano. Yeah. Hanggang sa parang, okay, magkakaroon na naman ng false start. What else? Okay, the Five of Pentacles in reversed. Judgment. Ay, may makikipagbalikan talaga sa'yo. Fire signs. Could be Earth or Scorpio. The Devil. Some of you, pwedeng may mangyaring makeup sex, yung iba sa inyo. Makeup sex or pakikipagkita sa ex, mga ganyan. Okay? So, nandiyan yung resulta na parang mako-confuse. Confusion. Kasi, ano bang meron? Ba't kami magkikita? Hindi ko naman nalaman or hindi mo malalaman kung anong meron. Bakit nangyari yon? Okay? Okay, so, isisi ulit natin sa Mercury retrograde. Oo, so, this is Mercury retrograde. Okay? Yeah, Page of Wands in reverse. So, babalik ka, alis muli. Okay, some of you, you'll reject an offer. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, what is for you? Water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Water signs. Oh, the Four of Wands. Are you ready for this? This is relationship, stable one. Some of you, yeah, in general, this is an energy of stability, longevity, long term, okay? So what's with that Four of Wands? There's something like significant pagdating sa isang bahay. Okay, some of you will purchase maybe. Ganda. So what's with that Four of Wands? Some of you, this is talking about a business. Ten of Wands inversed. Iba sa inyo, magdi-declutter. Alam niyo yun, like may mga iaalis na mga ibang bagay. May mga itatapon, some of you. Okay? I'm hearing babalik ta rin ng buong bahay. Oo, maglilinis. General cleaning. Oh my gosh, oo. Idamay nyo bahay ko. So, yeah. The Ace of Cups, the King of Pentacles. Some of you, meron kayong mga bagong bibilihin na tawag dyan, gamit sa bahay. Okay? So, what else? Meron ako nakikita rito may magre-resign. Or may mababagong management. Or employer. Okay, so what else? Page of Cups inversed. The Moon. Oh, I'm hearing a secret admirer. Secret admirer. Somebody who's admiring you. Yeah, they like you. The Magician is here. Some of you, pwedeng nakakausap mo na tong taong to. Pero hindi nila sinasabi na gusto ka nila. Yeah. Because they're afraid, maybe, confused. Who is this? Yeah, pwedeng wala naman kayong blockage ng taong to. See, the Sun. Nagkikita kayo ng taong to, pero yun nga, hindi niya sinasabi. I don't know why. Aside sa pwedeng confused siya or hindi siya sure. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan nating malaman doon? Anong kailangan nating malaman doon? Oh, they're afraid. I don't know. Some of them, they're overthinking. I don't know. May chance na meron tong gagawin. Yeah, the Eight of Swords Universe. Para mag-spill na siya. Okay? Para meron na siyang, yeah, spill the tea, crashy. Parang ganon. Oo. Anyway, may chance na pwedeng magpapakilala. Okay? Nandun lang yung nervousness ng person. Yes, yes, yo. Okay, so what else for water signs? Oo. Anyway. Okay, the Page of Pentacles in the reversed. The Three of Cups in reversed. A rejection sa isang offer. Some of you, meron ditong mga kakonect mo, friends, colleagues, na parang tutol sa'yo. Yeah, see, the Three of Swords. I don't know kung anong meron doon sa word na tutol. Para silang blockages pagdating sa'yo, sa frequency mo, na nagkakos ng delays. So, may chance na evil eye ka, water signs. Na evil eye ka ng mga to. Yeah, see? The Magician in reverse and the Four of Pentacles in reverse. They're throwing you negativities. Okay? They are. Yeah. The Hermit. Iba sa kanila, may chance na marunong pa. Be careful. Protect your energy, water signs. Okay, next. Our earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what is for you? What is for our earth signs? May uuwing kapamilya. O, diba? May uuwing kapamilya. Relatives. So, what's for our earth signs? Earth signs. Okay. Strength. I'm hearing fixing. The High Priestess. Yung iba sa inyo, this is not for all, okay? Some of you na merong sabihin nating special ability, okay? Para siyang magle-level up. Kung ikaw mismo, yung, alam mo yung third eye, you know how to read tarot, you know how to connect kung kani-kaninong mga gabay-gabay, may chance po na lalong lumalakas, okay? Lalong lumalakas. May chance na meron kang makikitang mga kung ano man na hindi usual sa'yo. Okay? Para kasing may na-open na naman or nagle-level up, something like that. That's not for all, please. That's not for all. Okay? Some of you, I'm hearing somebody will go to a doctor or to a dentist, mga ganyan, for maybe annual check-up, something like that. Okay? Or parang merong ipapafix. Yes, or ipapatingnan, mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, what else for our earth signs? Okay, the Tower again. In the reverse. So, ano to? The Tower na naka-reverse. The King of Swords in reverse. May naririnig ako dito na hindi mo maiiwasan na malaman ng iba yung itinatago mo. With someone. Hindi mo maitatago sa iba kung ano man yung itinatago mo with someone. Hindi ko alam paano yun. Depende. Okay, kanya-kanya yun, syempre. Hindi natin may avoid na matuklasan ng iba, malaman ng iba. Parang ganun. The Fool. Okay. Some of you, just be careful kung ayaw nyong parang may kakalat na kung anumang rumors, no? Some of you, kailangan yung maging, ang tawag dyan, just make it low-key. Okay, just make it low-key. Yeah. Low-key. Kung ano man tinatago, lalabas at lalabas rin. Parang ganun eh. See? Tinakatago. The Sun. Pero the Queen of Swords is here. This is, sabihin nating, the truth. The Moon. Ang dami nakatago. Ang dami nakatago dito. Mga earth signs. Ayoko nang tingnan kasi lalalim pa ng lalalim to. Pero yes, in general, sabi nga, no? Kung ano man yung tinatago, lalabas at lalabas rin. If there's fire, there's smoke. Tama ba? If there's smoke, there's fire. Mga ganong bagay. So, what else? Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. Isa sa paborito mo. Kaso naka-reverse siya. Okay. Why? Why the Ace of Pentacles in reversed? Iba sa inyo, pwede may bibilihin lamang na medyo pricey. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you will, online, through online. Ang ganda nito. Nine of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. Money check. Online transactions. New customers, new clients, mga ganyang bagay, no? Parang increase in sales in general. Increase or pagdating sa status ninyo sa finances, it's going up. Okay? I'm hearing promotion for some of you here. Promotion, credits, ang tawag dyan, awardings, recognition, mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, di ba humabol? Yung paborito mo. The Ten of Pentacles. Naka-reverse din. Oo. So, for me, pwedeng may mga bibilihin nga yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Kasi, yeah, your money is going good. Your money is going good. Yeah. Okay? So, parang walang i-stressin pagdating sa pamemera. Okay? Some of you, you'll enter a new connection. I'm hearing partnership here. Pero mas tingin ko rito, this is like a partnership, not a relationship. Okay? Not a relationship. Yeah, partnership maybe. Business. Business partnership. I'm hearing contract signing. I'm hearing, yeah, somebody is signing. Okay? Visa. Some of you may chance na makalipad. Hindi literal na lipad, ha? Oo. Oo, maka-travel to work abroad din. Okay? Pero some of you, this is an energy of a travel, visa, just to ano lang, to enjoy. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Right here, right here, right here. Pag nasa YouTube kayo. Oo, so yun po. No, again, thank you. Goodbye.